So this was a real eye-opener for a scientist, an American scientist who came from the Midwest. I thought, and I was sort of educated to believe that science was science, very objective and, well, that's not quite the case. Each country or region of the world has a very different science culture. You're not, in the case of the NASA astronauts, we're not allowed to pay them or give them any rewards or perks or anything for participating, because that could be coercive, and they're already being paid as federal employees as astronauts. In Russia, it's just the opposite. Their cosmonauts get paid a base salary, and then they get paid kind of on a la carte menu of different tasks that they do. So if they sign up for a research project, they get paid to do that. Well, the US astronauts don't sign up for Russian experiments because they're not allowed to get paid. So you see these different cultures kind of clashing in scientific ways. And the first time I went to Moscow was for a conference, a scientific conference. And for people who haven't been to a scientific conference in the US, it's pretty dry and technical. You come into an auditorium, it has seats in laser-sighted rows, there's a big projector, you go in, you use as few words as possible to get your point across, and then the next person comes up. Oh, that's just not how it is in Russia. In Russia, it's far more flowery with a lot of pomp and circumstance, and they had string instruments playing as you walk in, and drinks and hors d'oeuvres and velvet-covered chairs, almost like a fancy theater. Like, I felt like I should be seeing a play or something, come on. And when I first walked in, I felt like I was at a wedding reception or something. Afterwards, they serve vodka shots, and it's just totally different.